Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford Explorer Platinum. Coming in this nice rapid red metallic coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with a luxury leather package and that nice tow hitch. We got rear park sensing, backup camera, nice little roof spoiler with roof rails, mud flaps on the rear and front with a nice side view camera. Got turn light indicator mirrors, blind spot detection. And moving to the front real quick, we do get a license plate bracket, front view camera, and front park sensing, and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a power liftgate, which you can use on the key fob, the button up there, or a button by the driver's side, which provides you with quite a bit of cargo space, even with your third row up. Get cargo cubbies on each side, more storage here. You can collapse your last row and re-put it up from just right here, and it will go down automatically. You got 12-volt hooks and doodads to hold your gear down. Plenty of storage along the side there with cup holders, USB-Cs, more storage on this side, and a little storage cubby there. And we're gonna just bring this up real quick by just playing that, and it will come up automatically. To close, all you have to do, hit that button right there, and it will close automatically. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 6 pretty comfortably. We have this nice Mojave Dusk leathering with perforation, and you got the nice quilted leathering up top here. Plenty of door space in the back with the same leathering on the door. It's also quilted, which is pretty nice. Little cup holder here. To get to the back, all you have to do, hit that button right there, and the seat will go forward. And you do get quite a bit of leg room back here for your back two passengers with the same leathering we saw in the front here. Got the Explorer logo with your own climate controls, 2 heated back seats, 2 USB-Cs, 110-volt cup holders. You got floor mats right here, and a nice carpeted interior. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats as well as massaging. The same leather interior we saw in the back there with the nice Platinum logo. Plenty of door space up front, B&O sound system with power door mirrors, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, liftgate and lights, and you got this nice B&O speaker system that goes across your dash. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 27 kilometers. We do get this nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with your toggle-free screen, voice, phone and media, volume mute, and cruise control. We do get Ford BlueCruise as well, which is for self-driving on the highway. Pretty handy there. We got My View, Trip and Fuel, status info, vehicle maintenance, audio, phone, and your digital speedometer. To my right, we have our gear select, parking brake, drive modes, storage, and cup holders. More storage underneath. Oop. And you do get a little light down there as well with some outlets. This does close. Wireless charging pad with some storage. And moving here, we got that nice center console with even more storage underneath. We have our auto stop buzzer, park sensing, hazards, and 360 view of the vehicle, traction, and auto hold. Above me, we do have our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. And looking here, we have navigation, personal profiles, phone, audio, notifications. We also get dual climate up front, and all your climate controls are conveniently at the bottom of the screen here with heated seats and cooled seats, heated steering wheel, all that jazz. We're just going to click into our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. You also get Google News, which is pretty handy. We're going into our vehicle settings here, where you can change your ambient lighting, hill descent, and your massaging seats for the driver and passenger, which is pretty nice for those long car rides. You can also play with the vehicle as well, and open your liftgate, valet mode, vehicle status, settings, all that jazz. This system is powered by Google, so you have Google Maps. Basically any Google app you can think of, it definitely has it. Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, all that jazz. YouTube, if need be, and you do get some video games as well. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is GB91626, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.